Mother Road, God Road. Somebody once asked me, when me think about the next 10 years, just part me feel say my future go there in the next 10 years. I may never know how to answer you, but me I go answer you now. That me get old and stupider. I now worry about my future. My future belongs to God. You know what me I worry about? And you know what is mine? You know what God give me this morning? When nobody can take it away from me? No. And no alone. I mean, not worry about it because I already have it already, so I got cherish it and care it and use it to say, Amen. Mother Road and Annas and Manners. On the Friday morning, yeah. Don't worry about the future. Future belongs to Jaja. Jaja, 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 Jaja.